Tirelo Kale was trending on social media about her outfit. Tirelo Kale was wearing a white outfit and she have got a cleavage. That cleavage, her breast was out. Tirelo Kale was the one who posted that post. She knows that her breast was out because when you have got a cleavage, there is some of the part of the breast was not supposed to be out. So people were asking Tirelo why your breast was out, what. I think in Pumelelo, he doesn't have control on his wife's how to wear the clothes. Even Fiokazi was wearing whatever she want or pants or something on social media. But Musam Selek was always on social media to see his daughter-in-laws. They are naked sometimes. I think Tirelo have to reduce if she want to get married to Mpumelelo. Yes, to Fiokazi now we can say Fiokazi she can do whatever she want to do because she is no longer staying with Mpumelelo. Because most of the people we saw Musamseleku controls his wives how to wear the clothes. Yes, Musamseleku on the other side he was right. But when it comes to Mpumelelo doesn't tell his wives how to wear, even on social, especially on social media. Even Amahle, we saw Amahle last time she was wearing a pant or something. People we can say they are young or maybe ama 2000 what things are different. There is no need things to be different because we have to respect your body sometimes, especially when you know that your family members are always on social media. Guys, Musam Seleku and his family, they are always on social media. They watch his daughter-in-laws are naked sometimes. I think Mpumelelo have to tell his wives how to wear. But when it comes to Tirelo, how Mpumelelo can control to Tirelo to tell her that I don't want to wear like this because he didn't get married to Tirelo. That's the problem. But he have to sit down with his wives to tell them, I don't want the kind of the things you are wearing on social media. Guys, Tirelo knows that his breast and that thing like on the breast was out and she posted that post. It's not a mistake. People can say it's a mistake. There is no mistake on such kind of the things. Maybe we can say she was live. Tirelo was not live. She posted a post even on Instagram and Facebook. So sometimes the Tirelo have to respect. It's not about Mpumelelo only, but about her father-in-law. Musamseleku is always on social media. When she saw those people who are celebrate, they post with they are naked, what. They don't have relatives who are on social media, of most of them. But Tirelo have to respect because Msamseleku is always on social media and they can post whatever they want to post. Even Amahle on other side, she is always naked most of the times. And Fuyokazi, but Fuyokazi is better because Fuyokazi, they are no longer together with Mpumelelo. She can do whatever she want to do. Sometimes Tirelo, you have to reduce to have competition with Fuyokazi sometimes because what I saw to Tirelo like to trend a lot on social media. She wants to overtake Fuyokazi on other side, what I saw because especially now is Durban July, what you understand. So Fuyokazi can post and people they pay more attention on Fuyokazi more than Tirelo. But Tirelo you have to know how she wears. Even sometimes you know that people we are hungry for fame, what. Tirelo is already famous, guys, because of Mpumelelo. So don't try to or people to always talking about you most of the times. And sometimes it can ruin your relationship or your marriage. Sometimes or your in-laws can show those pictures, what. Tirelo was the one who decided to be in Mpumelelo's life. She have to tolerate sometimes. Mpumelelo can tell you that I don't want the way you are wearing on social media because Mpumelelo is the reason why those girls are famous. Whether we like it or not, Mpumelelo is not my cup of tea, but was the reason why those girls are too famous.